Hey guys, this is Lawa, you're watching Roots and Rhymes, and today I'm showing you how to make fire cookies from the comfort of your home. Let's get into it. So essentially what these are just cotton pads from Dollarama that I dip in wax. We're gonna put some aluminum foil or parchment paper next to the station here to let them cool down and dry. We're gonna dip them about 90%, leaving a little bit of cotton exposed so that way it can easily catch a spark from a lighter or a ferro rod. So yeah, these take like no time to make. They cost next to nothing and they work ridiculously well. If you're a hiker, a hunter, just an outdoors person, you go camping a lot, there's absolutely no reason for you to not carry some of these in your pack. They're super useful. Come with me, let's make a batch. So let's see how many fires we got. 1, 2, 3. So we got 41 fires out of this batch. I'm gonna show you guys the burn time now. We're gonna light one with a lighter and we're gonna light one with a ferro rod as well, just for the test. So you better go make some fire cookies. And I'm wishing you all a happy new year. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and last but not least, I'll see you in the woods.